Hello everyone, let's provide a solution given this nice algebra problem, which is that 6 raised to power x, this is equal to x raised to power 12. So what is the value of x? Solution. Okay, so we have that 6 raised to power x, this is equal to x raised to power 12. Okay, so from here, the first thing to do, we eliminate the exponent x. How do we do that? We multiply both sides by 1 over x, both sides by 1 over x. Okay, so if you simplify here, we're going to have that 6, which is equal to x raised to power 12 raised to power 1 over x. Okay, now from here, applying the indices property that states that if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a raised to power m raised to power n. Okay, so we can express it in this form, so that we're going to have that 6, this is equal to x raised to power 1 over x raised to power 12. Okay, so we need to eliminate this 12. How do we do that? We multiply by 1 over 12, both sides, multiplying by 1 over 12, so that from here, if you simplify, we are going to have x raised to power 1 over x, this is equal to 36 raised to power 1 over 12. Okay, now from here, we have that 36 can be expressed as 6 raised to power 2. Okay, so let's substitute this. If x raised to power 1 over x is equal to 36 raised to power 1 over 12, as you can see, the base is equal to the exponent x. The same case here, let's ensure that the base here should be equal to the exponent. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we are saying that 6 can be expressed as 6 squared. So if we substitute this, we're going to have 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 12. Okay, now from here, we are going to have x raised to power 1 over x. This is equal to, now if you simplify here, you're going to have 6 raised to power 1 over 6. Okay, and you can see that the base, which is 6, is equal to the exponent, which is also 6. So that means that the value of x is equal to 6. Okay, that's the value of x. Now let me show you method 2. Okay, let me show you how to solve this math problem using method 2. Okay, so we have that 36 raised to power x, this is equal to x raised to power 12. Okay, so we can solve this by applying the logarithm rules. So we are going to have log 36 raised to power x, this is equal to log x raised to power 12. Okay, now from here, applying the logarithm power rule, that's log m raised to power n, we can express this as n log m. Okay, so let's apply this property. We are going to have x log 36, this is equal to 12 log x. Okay, so the first thing, we divide both signs by x, divide by x, so that you're going to have log 36, this is equal to 12 log x divided by x. Okay, 36 can be expressed as 6 raised to power 2. So this means we can express this as log 6 raised to power 2, which is equal to 12 log x divided by x. Okay, so applying this identity, we will have 2 log 6, this is equal to 12 log x divided by x. We divide this side by 12 and also the other side by 12. Okay, so that we are going to have, if you simplify here, this is 6, you're going to have log 6 divided by 6, this is equal to log x divided by x. Okay, and you can see that we have that log x over x is same as log 6 over 6. So that affirms that x is equal to 6. Okay, and that's the solution. So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.